So hello guys, good evening. So today this is another journey for me. So I am in the booth. I want to visit the special people that I miss. So this is it, and just subscribe my YouTube channel Village Lang Camotes Cebu. So I am in the port. I am in the boat now. So this is the situation. I travel at night going to Cagayan de Oro. So let's see and continue my journey today. So let's see tomorrow. Boat is empty, less of passenger. So unless hopefully I can sleep because less of passenger. So I am in the second deck. So this is my journey. Start my journey now. We are now moving out of part of Cebu. So this is it. So this is another journey for me. This 2025. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Villa Dulang. This is the city of Cebu, going to Cagayan de Oro. So let's see what's the new in Cagayan. So because 15 years ago I didn't come home. So this is it. This is the sunrise from the sea. I'm still here in the boat. So good morning everyone. This is Alpha traveling to Cagayan de Oro. So welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share. Village Lang Camotes Cebu. It's a beautiful morning here in the sea. So good morning. This is 2 days of my vacation here in our parents' place. So I am here in his farmland. So this is the maize. This is the beautiful morning here in the countryside. So this is the maize of my father. So and this is the taro. This is another adventure for me, that surprise visit of my beloved parents. So this is it. Good morning everyone. They have papaya. Look at the beautiful flower of papaya. The fruit.
Baong mo nga pinalit na to.
So I found this is the tree of cocoa, a chocolate tree. This is not from my parents, this is the neighbor. So this is included on my vlog. And the beautiful doggy of my father, Cremo. We are picking of the fruit of papaya because we make Otan Bisaya. This is the life of the countryside. And this is the durian tree of my father.
Ang taga-durian ako, matay na. Video.
Ako bidyuhi ko.
Asa ang
Di.
pag-video? Ha?
Makaon na ni. Oh,
Oh, anak, nga to.
tanaw ako. Nakaon na ni.
Makita ba ito?
Oh, pataas ka. I try myself to pick the papaya, but not.
Sarah.
Oh, see?